All right, welcome back to the review for Unit 7. On this one, we're going to find the inverse of each matrix. So the inverse of a matrix, of a 2 by 2 matrix, is the 1 over the determinant times, that's if the original matrix was, let's say, A, B, C, and D. We take A and D, those two spots, and we switch them. D goes here and A goes here. Then we take the negative of the others, negative B and negative C. And when we multiply that 1 times the 1 over the determinant, or it's the same thing as taking the determinant and dividing it into each term. So let's look first here. The determinant of this matrix, negative 9, 1, negative 5, 1, would be negative 9 times 1 minus 1 times negative 5. And that's negative 9. Those two cancel. Those two negatives cancel, leaving plus 5. Negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. So then the inverse is 1 over negative 4 times the 1 and the negative 9 switch. This 1 becomes negative 1, and this negative 5 becomes positive 5. And so then we just multiply through by that negative 1/4. Negative 1/4 for the first element. Negative times negative, positive 1/4 for the next element. Negative 5/4 for that next element. And then negative times negative, positive 9 9/4 for that element. And then that new matrix here is our inverse. All right, let's look at 12. First, our determinant. Our determinant is 6 times negative 8 minus negative 7 times 9. Six times negative 8 is negative 48. Those negatives cancel, and you're left with plus, and then 7 times 9 is 63. Negative 48 plus 63 would be 15. So that's our determinant. Then to get the inverse, we take 1 over the determinant, 1/15, times, switch negative 8 and 6, negative 8 here, 6 down here, and I take negative 7, make it positive 7. I take 9 and make it negative 9. Then I take 1/15 times negative 8. That becomes negative 8/15. Then I take 7 times 1/15 becomes 7/15. Negative 9 times 15 becomes negative 9/15. Negative 9/15. Both of those are divisible by 3, so that becomes negative 3/5. Negative 3/5. And then 6/15. Again, that's you can simplify that. 6/15, both divisible by 3, so 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times, so that's 2/5. 2/5. And this new matrix is our inverse of the given matrix. All right, let's go to 13. First, our determinant be 0 times 1 minus 6 times 0. Now, 0 times 1 would be 0, and 6 times 0 would be 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. When your determinant is 0, then there's no inverse. So your inverse does not exist. All right. Number 14. First, the determinant. The determinant here is 2 times negative 3 minus negative 2 times negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And here I've got 1, 2, 3 negative, so that's going to be negative. 2 times 3 is 6, so negative 6 minus 6, and that's negative 12. So there's our determinant. Then to get the inverse, we take 1 over negative 12 times, switching these numbers up a little bit here, 2 and negative 3 become negative 3 here and 2 down here. Your negative 2 becomes positive 2, and your negative 3 becomes positive 3. Then we multiply them out. And I think here it'd probably be easier to just show I've got negative times negative is positive 3/12, and negative 2/12, negative 3/12, and negative 2/12. And now we want to simplify those. So that's equal to 1/4, negative 1/6, negative 1/4, and negative 1/6. And that is the inverse of our matrix. All right, we'll see you in the next video.